Luke Sydor in from Edmonton, Alberta on row 2. This is kind of a new style of riding for you, Luke?
Yeah, I've done a few enduro ones with a little bit of a time format, but that was probably like 8 years ago now. So it sounds pretty straightforward, so hopefully everything goes good and I can figure out how to ride this bike and yeah, just go have fun, I guess.
Well, you have a lot of fans out here already beating Chris Birch out in Alberta, so we're looking forward to seeing you here in Quebec.
Yeah, it's cool. It's everyone's been pretty welcoming so far, and yeah, that kind of put me on the map, I guess. I had a really good ride, and Chris Birch had to come through a lot of traffic in a dusty day, so yeah, I feel like if we went head-to-head, he'd probably get me, but it's really cool to come out with a win a couple weeks ago and ride good. So hopefully I ride good again. It's pretty muddy, but that's okay. It's all good fun.
We're watching some of your footage last night and Connor Brogan's fantastic GoPro footage from yesterday. You finished second overall. We checked, you only lost 13 seconds on that hill climb.
Still disappointing. It's I don't know, I just got in follow somebody else mode, I guess. I could have swore that someone pointed me to go that way, but yeah, the footage is what it is, and yeah, hopefully I can stay on the fast lines today and maybe chase down Philip. We'll see. I ride a lot of sand at home, so hopefully it plays in my favor, and yeah, just try and put down a solid ride and no mistakes.
Luke Sydor from Edmonton, Alberta. He's not only second overall right now, but he's also a ballistic cameraman. Thank you so much, Luke.
Thank you.
You're done. You did it.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Thanks.
Awesome.
De Edmonton, Alberta, Monsieur Luke Sydor. Congratulations.
A big thanks to Mark Zimmy for bringing me out here to experience some Eastern Canada riding. It's a lot different than out home, other than the first test today. That's kind of like my backyard. Big thanks to everyone that helped put on this event. It looked like a lot of work, and it was really fun. Thanks to my sponsors, Sydor Racing Services, that's my new company, and Riverside Motorsports, and Rhino Power Canada.